So today we're making an airplane that's gonna look like this.
That went in the toilet.
No, it didn't. Alright, first you gotta get paper, whatever paper you want, and bend it down like this. Make sure you fold it hard for it could be perfect filament. Yeah, like that. It's like that. Next thing you want to do is fold this all the way to that side right there.
Okay, so you want to double fold it.
You want to fold it again. It's gonna be like this, the side, and then you fold it like that.
And then how?
Then one more time. Bend it again.
Damn.
Then
Another time?
no.
Oh.
So then it's gonna be like this. This is gonna be the last part. Then you fold it this way.
Then it turns to fires.
I have this because of the again.
I have this. And then you're gonna go like this.
You gotta make wings for it. Just fold it like this.
And so then all you do is just grab this side and throw it up.
You have to make sure it's this side.
Look, I'm gonna make it flat. I can't put this.
You could use it for a nail too.
Screw you. Okay, so this is gonna end the video here. And goodbye.
Sorry guys, this is how you test it. Shut up, Michael. I test it. Oh,
Stupid. And then you go, see? That's going super fast now. Ow, yeah.
So don't forget to put the zoom in.
Trying to put that, yeah.
So look at me. So then let's make another video without him or with someone else. So next time I'll do it alone by myself. I think I'll make one again. So bye.